Hello and a warm welcome. This video is dedicated to code branches. We will discuss what a branch is, what it provides to users, how branches are implemented in KubeRocketCI, and how to work with them. Let's start off by quickly refreshing our knowledge on branches, as it will be essential for understanding the functionality offered by KubeRocketCI. Consider branches as separate versions of the code. When working in a team, simultaneous edits to a single source code might lead to potential conflict, as it becomes increasingly challenging to verify application code when changes could interfere with each other. With branches, we allow users to work with their individual copy of the code. Branches make the troubleshooting and development process smoother when using a version control system, or VCS for short. By allowing teams to work in parallel without interference, branches help preserve the integrity of the project history, isolate changes for specific features or fixes, and facilitate collaborative code reviews. The KubeRocketCI portal provides an intuitive way of managing branches. To start with, our Git provider support is based on Git servers. A Git server is an internal resource that handles integration with the version control system. Multiple Git servers, whether from the same provider or a different one, can operate concurrently. This capability enables users to interact with several Git providers simultaneously. KubeRocketCI supports all the popular VCS platforms, such as GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Jerry. To integrate one, you can read detailed step-by-step integration guides in our documentation or watch another video in our channel. When working with Git providers, we can manually create branches, onboard existing branches into the platform, and create a branch from a commit hash. KubeRocketCI takes the process of working with branches to a new level. With KubeRocketCI, you can develop your code and also test your changes directly in the CI/CD flow. This means you can see how your changes will impact the real environment simply by building your branch. This helps you immediately verify the quality of code and its functionality with minimal intervention. Developing your changes is the only thing you should focus on. Moreover, KubeRocketCI enhances release management by facilitating the easy creation of release branches. These branches streamline the release process, making it quick and straightforward. These features distinguish our platform from basic VCS usage. Now that we know enough about branches, let's take a look at them directly in the portal. Now that we have a solid understanding of branches, let's demonstrate their functionality directly in the KubeRocketCI portal. Navigate to the KubeRocketCI portal, select any of the codebases and enter it. Each created codebase, without exception, has a repository created in the specified Git provider through the Git server. Click the Git button to view the repository and its branches. Let's onboard the update order validation branch into the portal. To do this, simply create the branch in the portal using this name. Copy the branch name. In the KubeRocketCI portal, select the Branches tab and click Create Branch. In the Create Branch window, paste the branch name into the corresponding field and click Create. That's it! You have onboarded the branch into the portal. This is a common procedure when you create a codebase using the import strategy. Additionally, the KubeRocketCI portal can create new branches completely. To do this, simply use the Create Branch button. In the Create Branch button, specify the branch name. Optionally, you can also specify the branch version and CI pipelines. Now that the branch status is created, you can check this branch in the Git repository. Reload the page. As you can see, the branch is created. Great! Now let's create a branch from a specific commit hash. Suppose you found a critical issue in one of the previous releases and now you need to fix it. You create a new branch from the past commit where you will be fixing the issue. To do this, you need the commit hash itself. In the Git repository, navigate to the main branch and click Commits. Select the commit from which you want to create a branch. Copy the full commit hash by using the dedicated copy button. Navigate back to the portal. In the Create Branch window, specify the branch name, paste the commit hash and click Create. And that's it. The last option to showcase is creating a release branch. To create such a branch, select the corresponding checkbox in the Create Branch window. The branch name will be set automatically. The branch version refers to the specific release version you intend to publish, while the default branch version sets the versioning for all subsequent snapshots. As you can see, codebases from release branches are marked with a different tag. When working with the release branches, keep in mind that only SimVer versioning type supports release branches. In the default versioning type, this option is unavailable. Another thing to keep in mind is that the snapshot version is reset each time you create a release branch. For example, if you had 3 snapshot versions and then created a release branch, the snapshot count would reset to 1 with the new version. Once the branch is merged or no longer needed, you can delete it. To delete a branch in KubeRocketCI, click the Actions button and select Delete. Confirm the deletion. Remember, deleting a branch in the portal doesn't remove it from Git. You will need to delete it there as well if necessary. In summary, we have reviewed how branches significantly enhance collaboration and isolate changes for clear and error-free development. Apart from that, we conducted a branch management overview using the intuitive KubeRocketCI portal. Whether you are managing small projects or large-scale operations, understanding and utilizing these features will drive efficiency and maintain the high quality of your codebases. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will dive into how to efficiently test features using a feature branch in KubeRocketCI, further enhancing your project's development workflow. That's it, have a great day!